Ask a finance team what month-end actually feels like, and you hear the same 6 things. It starts late because nobody knows who is really ready. Then it becomes a chase. 12 owners, 4 entities, 1 spreadsheet. Reconciliations get done, but the explanation lives in someone's head. Intercompany never agrees, so somebody plugs the difference to make it close. The board pack reads beautifully, and not one figure traces back to the ledger. And next month, all of it happens again. 8 to 12 days. Senior people doing junior work. None of this is an effort problem. It is a design problem. So here is the same close, designed differently. 8 jobs, 5 agent types, and 1 run trace an auditor can read. Job 1 is coordination, 3 days out. The orchestration agent issues the calendar, then polls every system for readiness. Now watch this line. Payroll in Saudi Arabia emails to say it is basically done. The agent logs the self-report and leaves the flag open. Basically done is not a system status. Job 2 is a guardian. It certifies what other agents did, never its own work. Each subledger ties out to its control account by code, not by the model. Receivables is 6,400 out. The tolerance tool returns false, so it becomes an exception routed to the owner. The agent cannot post the fix. Job 3 posts the journals, depreciation, leases, revaluation, allocations. Every amount comes from the owning schedule or the official rate table. Then it reaches the credit loss provision, and everything changes. This one is judgment. The agent assembles the evidence and drafts the entry. It has no posting tool at this level. The finance director decides. Job 4 is the analyst. Matching is deterministic. Explaining is not. Suspense sits above tolerance, so it is flagged unexplained, however convincing the narrative. And notice what it does next. It names the pattern, not the instance. 4 breaches in 5 cycles, same entity, same cause. It routes the correction. It does not post it. Job 5 freezes each entity. The trial balance becomes an immutable version snapshot. 2 new accounts in London are unmapped. The agent does not guess a mapping to make the pack validate. It holds the pack and asks a human. That one behavior prevents most of what breaks at consolidation. Job 6 consolidates. Rates come from the group rate table. Ownership from the legal entity register, never from the model's memory. Then an intercompany pair disagrees by 214,000. It does not eliminate at the lower amount, and it does not plug the difference. It quantifies, attributes both sides, and routes it back. The invoice arrived after cutoff. Accrued rerun, 0 residual. And the top side entry needs 2 named signatures. Job 7 writes the board pack. And this is the panel worth pausing on. Every sentence is classified before the board sees it. Grounded, traceable to a row. Interpretive, the agents read, labeled as a read. And fabricated, blocked before drafting. It also publishes what it could not explain. An agent that explains every variance is not being thorough. It is making things up. Job 8 closes the loop. Opening balances, verified at 0 tolerance. Then it mines this close's own trace. 14 exceptions, 9 overrides, and 2 failures that keep repeating, with the mechanism behind each one named and costed. The trail you built for the auditor is what makes the next close faster. 6 problems, 6 places the design answers them. Readiness is a system flag, not an email. The chase is automated. Every explanation carries its source. Differences are routed, never plugged. Every board figure traces to a row, and the close remembers what went wrong. Faster is not the point. Defensible is. Authentic AI. Augmented outcomes.